have to, before they use the needle in the surgery, they put it in some alcohol. Maybe it's not as far off as we thought. Just needs to be tequila.
Well, if you didn't have
Mhm.
the medical alcohol, then you use the liquor because it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's very,
You've
very
seen
good.
that in some of the old movies. They would do their drink, the alcohol, and pour it onto the instruments or the wound to
Mhm.
disinfect.
Right.
And you can obviously heat to destroy the bacteria and disinfect.
Absolutely. Now I will share and attest to a slightly different version of the cucumbers that Dr. Lee did give me. I had some redness, some irritation in my face that I needed to get rid of, and so she recommended two things. One was the cucumbers. So I actually rubbed the cucumber all over my face, and the redness disappeared within about 60 seconds.
Cucumber is great.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Now, you have to be some people can be a little bit different. My wife is allergic to cucumbers, so make sure that if you're allergic to cucumbers, that you're paying attention to what you're allergic to.
Absolutely.
But it worked great for me. And then the other was egg yolk. No, egg white.
Right.
And so I actually did kind of a combination of cucumber juice and egg white, and let it dry on my face, and I thought it was going to be disgusting, but it actually dried, and it was definitely one of those
Pretty
old.
neat.
Yeah, it was pretty neat. It was
Like a real facial.
a real facial,
Yeah.
full blown facial for 33 cents. I don't know what you pay for yours, but that's what it cost me. So there. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. We absolutely love taking Dr. Lee's kind of home health tips, because they're inexpensive and they work.
They're healthy.
Mhm.
Yeah, they're
Definitely.
quite safe
You got
for the most part. So we're going back to the health choice.
it. Mhm.
If you make a healthy decision on your life, you're going to see the results, and hopefully this is before you get to the doctors, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Prevention is what it's all about.
I realized that it's the best blessing is not getting sick, not having better insurance.
And you know what's even better about better than not getting sick is just being healthy. So in other words, until you lose your health, you don't realize how amazing it was to be healthy. So in other words, it's two things in one. When you are making a conscious choice to live in a healthy way, you're pushing off a potential. Who knows? So we're not making any guarantees, but you might be pushing off cancer. You might be pushing off diabetes. You might be pushing off gout,
That's a
kidney
really,
problems.
really good point.
And then also though, you're living in each moment that you live that you're healthy. That moment is more happy.
Right. You reminded me, all these preventional things reminded me of something I read recently about dental health. Maybe we'll talk about that next time.
Might be a good
This
idea.
is about the new dental care. Instead of brushing and flossing, there's blotting and oil pulling.
I'm interested.
Yes, we're
I'm
going to make
interested.
that a future topic.
Ooh, we probably should.
Yes, we'll talk about that next time. And just at the end of the show, I just want to make sure everybody realize health is a choice we make. No one can make it for you. No one can be sick for you. No one can.
You get the benefits. Nobody can be healthy for you either.
Right. So we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Thanks for tuning in to the Ageless Living show here on World Talk Radio and Voice America. We love all of you and appreciate all of you for following our show, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
If you have any questions, our email address is tongli.md@gmail.com. Once again, TONGLI.MD@gmail.com. See you next time.